Forgotten username recovery failed on TransUnion App Fix. If you've forgotten your TransUnion username, most people get it wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping verification steps. You won't believe how simple it is to regain access when you follow the correct process. Step 1. Open the TransUnion app or go to the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. TransUnion will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered automatically. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this can temporarily block access. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification details like your full name, date of birth, social security number, or recent account activity. Contact TransUnion support directly with this information for faster recovery. Step 4. After recovering your username, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds extra security, ensuring your personal and financial data remain protected. By following these steps, you can regain access to your TransUnion account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are key to keeping your sensitive information safe.